Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got watermelon cake for you today. Stunning. Add 90 grams of butter into a mixing bowl with 220 grams of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk them together. Then add in 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 220 grams of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 150 milliliters of buttermilk, and finally 1 teaspoon of red food colouring. Once that's all blended together, we can add in 120 grams of chocolate chips. That'll be the watermelon seeds. Now transfer your mixture into a lined cake tin and bake at 170 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Once it's ready, slice off the top to create a flat work surface and coat in pink buttercream icing. Then some bright green buttercream icing around the edge, smoothing it all out, creating a swirl pattern on the top, sprinkling on some chocolate chips, and sticking on some green jellies. And there you have it. Amazing, mouth-watering watermelon cake. Perfect for a summer afternoon.